Good day to everyone watching this. Today, I will have another demonstration. This time, it's about preparing fish and seafood dishes. At the end of this demonstration, you should be able to prepare and present fish and seafood dishes. Here is our menu for today. Pinaputok na tilapia, Sarciadong Isda, and honey garlic butter shrimp. Let's start with Pinaputok na Tilapia. This is a Filipino dish where the fish is stuffed with chopped tomatoes, onions, and other vegetables, then baked or can also be steamed. Since not everyone has oven at home, I will use the steaming method of making this fish recipe. The ingredients for Pinaputok na Tilapia are 3 large tilapia, 3 pieces large tomatoes, 1 piece white onion, 4 pieces siling pansigang, deseeded, 1/4 kilo pechay bagyo, 3 to 5 tablespoons of oyster sauce or depending on your preference, and 1 teaspoon of salt for rubbing the fish. Start by cleaning and rubbing the fish with salt to remove the fishy odor. Then fry the fish. Make sure that the oil is hot before frying the fish and wait for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-high heat before turning the fish, so that the skin of the fish will not stick into the pan. Set this aside after frying. These are the leftover vegetables from the measure in the recipe. The rest are chopped for the tilapia stuffing. With the amount of cabbage in the recipe, we save 6 pieces of leaves and this will be used to wrap the tilapia. This is a combination of chopped siling pansigang, pechay bagyo, onions and tomatoes, and seasoned with salt and pepper. This will be used as a stuffing on the tilapia belly. When everything is ready, prepare now to wrap the fish for steaming. Get the chopped vegetable mixture and stuff it inside the tilapia belly. Put in as much vegetables as you want. Just make sure to save some for the other tilapia. Spread about a teaspoon of oyster sauce on the tilapia. You can add more, but take note that we already salted the tilapia before frying them. Then cover the tilapia with the sliced tomatoes, onion, chili, and a piece of pechay bagyo. And using both hands, flip the fish carefully so that you can also cover the other side of the fish. And do the same process. Again, you can also add more vegetables depending on your preference. In some versions of Pinaputok na Tilapia, the fish is wrapped in banana leaves. Then wrap the tilapia with aluminum foil big enough to cover the whole fish so that you can seal it properly. Place it also on the plastic bag so that the juices from the fish and vegetables will not leak during steaming. Steam the fish for 10 to 15 minutes, depending on the size of the fish, and to let the flavors of the vegetables incorporate to the fish. And here is our Pinaputok na Tilapia. This is perfect with toyo mansi or with chili garlic sauce. Next is Sarciadong Isda. The name means fish with sauce. The fish is fried first, then simmered with sauce that is usually composed of tomatoes, onions, and eggs. The ingredients are 1 kilogram dalagang bukid, 1/4 kilogram tomatoes, 3 pieces of eggs, 4 cloves of garlic, 2 cups of water, 1 piece medium-sized onion, 1 shrimp cube, salt and pepper to taste, kinchay or spring onions for garnish. Prepare all your ingredients. Chop the tomatoes, prepare the eggs, chop the garlics and onion, and prepare your salt and pepper. And of course, the fish. We prefer to fry the salted dalagang bukid to lessen the fishy odor and the fishy taste. To cook the sauce, saute the garlic, onion, and tomatoes. Make sure to mash the tomatoes while cooking to soften them up easily. When the tomatoes are tender and halfway mashed, add the shrimp cube and dissolve on the mixture. Add also the salt and pepper and 2 cups of water and wait for it to boil. While waiting for the mixture to boil, prepare and beat the eggs. Once the mixture boils, add the beaten eggs and mix immediately to thicken up the tomato sauce. Then add the fish and wait for the mixture to boil again. Then add kinchay leaves for garnish and for additional flavor. And we're done with the Sarciadong Isda. The last recipe is the honey garlic butter shrimp. It is a seafood recipe where the shrimp is coated in honey garlic butter soy sauce. For this recipe, you will need 1/2 kilo of shrimps, 1 head garlic chopped, 4 tablespoons butter, 3 tablespoons white sugar, 2 teaspoons of honey, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, salt and pepper to taste, and chili pepper flakes, which is optional. Just like on the other recipes, make sure to prepare all your ingredients. Make sure to clean also the shrimps. Start cooking the sauce by melting the butter. I already spread a thin layer of oil on the pan to prevent the butter from burning. Saute the garlic in butter until golden brown. Add the sugar. At this point, lower the heat and stir continuously to not burn the sugar. I also added here the chili pepper flakes. This is optional if you don't want a spicy dish. When the sugar has melted, add the honey, soy sauce, and a little bit of salt, and the shrimp. Cook this just until the shrimp turns into orange or bright red evenly. And we're done. Serve and enjoy. For CSMA values integration, seafood can be very expensive, but it is worth the cost because it becomes a treat for us and gives us a boost of nutrients. It is a reminder for us to value our self-worth, accept who we are, and strive to become the best person we can be so that we can have the audacity to face any challenges. That's all for today. Goodbye!